I came across and found something called chicken butter. Yes, chicken butter. And I thought, what can I do with this? So what I've done is I cooked up some chicken breast yesterday, gotten it prepared, and I'm going to serve this over a little bit of rice. I'm going to cook it up and let you know how it all is, and then we're going to do a taste test. See you soon. Okay, so I was looking at this bottle. It's made in the UK. That is some of the ingredients, just in case you want to look, take a quick look. And this is the nutritional value. Wow. Okay, so when I was cooking it, pretty much this, I made some chicken breast yesterday. I mixed some green peppers and tomatoes, and then marinated this, put the sauce on it, cooked it up, made a little bit of rice. That's what it looks like. Okay. But what I noticed when I was cooking it, it reminded me of curry. Curry. I don't know why I keep saying curry. And it still reminds me of it because it smells like curry. So let's do a quick taste test. It does taste, it does have a curry type taste to it, but not quite as pungent as curry is. Almost like a mild curry. Curry. That is actually not bad. With the tomato, fresh, these are fresh tomatoes, and green peppers that I cut and put in it. But this is not bad at all. This is a quick meal that you can probably make. You have to pre-cook the chicken breast, but I pretty much brewed this up in like 5 to 8 minutes. It didn't take very long. Just cut up the tomatoes and the onions, let the onions and tomatoes and stuff fry down a little bit, and then added the chicken breast, and then, well, I see more than that because it took 10 minutes for the rice in the pressure cooker or Instant Pot. But this is not bad at all, really. If you love curry food, you would definitely love this. But it's not overwhelming, so it's not when you eat it like, oh. This is really good. Well, I wasn't planning on eating all of this, but since I've already started tasting it, I think I might finish it up. I haven't had breakfast, so this could be my breakfast lunch. Again, this is chicken butter. This is a UK product, Sherwood simming sauce. That's what they call it. Very good. I got it at a local market. Actually, I think I bought this at Food Line on a complete humble, like, chicken butter. But this is very good. If you want to make a quick meal, like I said, the longest time it cooked was the 10 minutes for the rice and the chicken breast. The chicken breast I did a day before. And I baked it. So there you go. You can pre-bake the chicken. Boom, you can have this on the table in 15 minutes without breaking a sweat. Quick meals from Ron, Cooking with Ron, and see you next time around. You take care.